How to fix Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic not getting notification. If you're not receiving notification on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic, you simply want to ensure that your notification settings are correct. So first thing, open the phone settings app and navigate to apps and notification. Then you could go ahead and click on the app notification and select the specific app that you're not getting a notification for, and make sure that it is already enabled. If that's not the thing, you could also go ahead and check the Galaxy Wearable app settings. Open the Galaxy Wearable Watch settings or app on your phone, then go to Watch settings and then go to notifications. As you go to notification, click on see all notification, and here you simply want to click on mute connected phones. Once you do it so, then you can just go ahead and verify that or enable all of the permissions or notification. That could be able to help you out despite doing this procedure. If the issue still persists on, if you have tattoos, wrist detection might be preventing notification from arriving as well. So you simply want to go to the watch settings, then go to security and privacy and disable wrist detections if you have tattoos as well. Then once you've actually done it, so see whether that fixes your issue or not, or else try restarting your Samsung Galaxy Watch as well as your Samsung device or a mobile device and see if that fixes your issue or not. Now likewise, the other troubleshooting steps you could also do is updating your Galaxy Wearable app and your phone's operating system to the latest version as well. And you could also try factory resetting your watch, but back it up before you do this procedure. And if you still have issue, then you want to contact the support team. They will be able to guide you through. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.